Hey guys, it's Joseph here from Waterman Plumbing, and today I'm going to show you how to replace a dip tube on a Rheem water heater. Now it's important to remember that each water heater brand may have a different type of dip tube. This is the Rheem one. Now this is of course where the TMP valve would be, and then you have the cold and the hot, and then this right here is the dip tube. So the way I had to pull this out is just stick in my drywall saw, and now I'm going to kind of pull it up. But yeah, they don't really make it easy. And then the nipple, put the new one back in, and the nipple would just go right on top of that. All right, now to take out the anode rod, if you do want to replace it, again, this is for Rheem specifically, you will need to get, I believe this is a 28 or 27 millimeter socket. Or you can also get I think it's 1 in 15, I'm not sure. Anyway, and then once you get it, you just want to do that, and it's going to be pretty difficult. This water heater is quite old, so I'm actually surprised. But once I got out the anode rod, you can see the sacrificial anode is actually pretty well intact here, which is interesting. So it just goes to show it really depends on the city's water, and determines, you know, how bad.